How to fix Discord mobile not loading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord mobile not loading on Android phone. First, uh, open settings and then click apps, and now apps again, and here you will find Discord. Click on it, and here all you need to do just click force stop, and then click storage, then clear cache. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go back here and click clear data. But after that you will need to log in again, but your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.